So nowadays we all have our social accounts like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchats, and lots more, right? So we are uploading our image or profile pics, right? So today I will teach you, or we both together learning how to make this cool photo to so cool photo, right? See you there. So we're in the right now on my desktop. So yeah, this is my desktop. So I will send you the link. First link of the description take you to this pixlr.com/editor. This is the online editor, so you don't need any Photoshop or your Photoshop CC for making this type of cool. So just go to create a new image and choose your own width and the height. I measure the preference 1280 to 720 which is the resolution of the YouTube, right? So make sure you just click transparent. Okay, yeah, so this is where we are working our project. So go to layer, open image as a layer, and choose your photo. I log on my photo. Yeah, this one is right now my photo. So right now it's not that much cool, right? Just wait a second, we will make this cool. Go to edit, transformation. When you are doing this free transformation, make sure you just click the shift button and then make a choice. Okay, I think, yeah, this must be nice. Okay, so right now we have done this, and now go to this magic wand. So we are making our photo background transparency. So this will make you something little, this magic wand. So make sure all you have your photos, or you can choose the marking tool. I think let us make some delete. Press this and delete. Simple, right? And go to this one and delete. Yeah, and delete. So sorry. Go to magic wand. If you let's try, yeah, delete this one also. I can't delete because if I delete this part, then it's also delete my this body part, right? So yeah, so I think maximum we can delete this part. Now if you want to zoom your, then shift control and plus to zoom your photo, to maximum, and then go to choose your eraser tools, right? Right now we are erasing this part. I will tell you how to make your the edges are soft. Right now it's not that much soft, right? So right now first just erase the side part. If you have done this step wrong, then just Ctrl Z to undo this, right? Oh, sorry. When you're done, then control small to go back. Yeah, I think this part is remaining right now. We have done our half of this photos, and you can download for background. I prefer choose the black background, black wallpaper. Go to image, and you can choose your own black wallpaper, which type of black paper you want. Black wallpaper, I will choose this. I just choose the black one, right? And just save image. So you can choose any colors or any background you want to. Same, go to layer, open image as well. So we'll just make this one layer, adjust image. Yeah, go to edit the transformation. Click OK, enter. Then make sure your layer is under this layer. So right now it's look, oh sorry, Control Z, not erase a part. So click once again to layer 1, and now it's time for make our photo looking nice. So erase this part as much as you can. So now let's move and make our image more softer. So once again, zoom maximum, smaller brush, and the softer brush, right? Now you can see a little bit smaller brush, yeah. So now you can see this, all the pixelers. Do you see this? These are the where our photo is making. So just make this So once you have done, then it's fine, right? Now go to the browser and search for smoke effect. Smoke effect PNG, so that the wallpaper or the background of this transparent. Yeah, we'll choose this one, and I think this PNG. Yeah, go to this and save image. Let's save this. If you love design, then you can choose anything like birds, and there is lots of design like there's bird. You see there's the bird smoke design also is there. So right now we are making the smoke, so go to this. It's once again layer, open image as layer, smoke. Oh wait, I think the smoke is white, should be nice. Smoke. This is black, right? So let's find our smoke. The better one, smoke. Yeah, I think this is nice. Yes. Oh no. Yeah. This one and save. Go to layer, same again, open images. layer. Where's this one? Yeah, this. So right now we got our image. So for looking the better, you just, I think, cut the smoke with the half parts, because this half one is not, I think, not that much good. Sorry for that. Oh, sorry, okay. Let's see. And your smoke must be background, right? And just then duplicate this layer and paste it where you want. I think let's check. I think this smoke is not that much good. This smoke, yeah. So make sure you just choose the right smoke for your better wallpaper. Just the smoke. Let's check the smoke. I think it's better than before. Yeah, here. Okay, yeah, I think this is fine, right? This is nice. Yeah. So layer 6, this one, duplicate the layer, so we can duplicate almost, I think one is from here. Let's keep it. This smoke must be layer from the upper layer. Can you see this? Yes, here. Sorry. And there's the original photo there. Yeah, so make yourself on this whole small type. So just you have to do the duplicate layer and then make yourself a good duplicate layer. So there's your photo. You see being the smoke. Duplicate layer. So if you want to turn this one, go to the edit, the transformation, and little bit turn the smoke. Enter, duplicate layer once again. Here, enter. So if you don't want this one, if you want to erase the then choose your eraser size, and because there is very dense of smoke, right? So it didn't look that much cool. Just erase this part, denser side of smoke. Yeah, look at it. I think it's done. That's now layer number 20. Duplicate layer once again. Right now we're just duplicating the layer. So if you think you have done, then it's done. you don't need that much work. Just so like I'll wait this one, go to edit, go to transformation. Very simple, right? Very simple. So this is the final. So if you want to change your pixel a little bit dense, then go to adjust. You can adjust the contrast from here. Let's do contrast a little bit. Not that much dark. Yeah, a little bit dark, right? And the contrast should be, I think, better. Then if you not please repeat again and again. Yeah. Let's check what filter can do. So this is where the filters make it blur, just make it sharper. When they are in the sharper, so this is our final cuts. So if you have done, then go to file and save it. Make sure your image is 100%. Okay. Now save your image. I just said you see. Let's check our image here. Yeah. So this is our final. You see this? Where is our original photo? Let's check where our original picture. I think image. Yeah, here original. This is our original picture, and this is our final. You see the difference? Lots, right? Lots. So this is our cool, and this is our super cool photo, guys. So you can make this yourself so easy. So right now I'm signing out. I will see you in the next Friday. Till take care, enjoy, and show your creativity if you like. And you can also send me your photos to, if you have done with your creativity type, you can click the photo and send me, so I can also advertise your photo. Thank you guys.